Okay, we have started. The Can you see my face also in that screen?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. We'll started last unit, last lecture with this cobot. Okay, what is mean by cobot, and after that we have seen the various applications related to the cobot. Okay, collaborative robot, nothing but okay, it is combination of human and robot. Okay, it will form the robot of the workplace which involve the human and robot. That workplace is known as on that workplace the robots are working. That robots are known as a collaborative robot. म्हणजे जे रोबोट की ह्युमनच्या कॉन्टॅक्ट मध्ये आणि ह्युमन बरोबर काम करू शकतात असे जे काही रोबोट रोबोट आहेत त्या रोबोटला आपण काय म्हणतो तर आपण कोलॅबरेटिव्ह रोबोट असं डिफाईन केलं. ओके, we have seen these definitions of collaborative robot. Collaborative, again, what is mean by collaborative workspace? Next, we have seen collaborative operations. After that, we have seen what is mean by intelligent assistant device. Okay. Again, lastly, we have seen the cobot. Okay. This part we have seen in last lecture. Okay, about cobot, we have seen related. Okay, what is the functionality of that cobot and how that works? Okay, in last lecture we have seen this one. Next, okay, you can see this one. If if only robots are there, then we have to require to fencing around that robots. We have to provide fencing around that robot. But cobots, if cobots are there, means collaborative robots are there, then there is no requirement of this fencing because this robot cannot damage to that human because there are there are sensors provided to that robot which will be helpful to human, okay, to avoid the accident with human. Okay, next we have seen applications where we can use these cobots. Okay, mostly you can see these are the used in okay assembly lines. Cobots are generally used in assembly lines, dispensing, finishing, machine tending, material handling. These are the some examples we have seen in the okay related to cobots. Next we have started with benefits of human robot collaboration, HRC, known as the HRC also. Robots also known as the HRC. Okay, robots are excel at simple repetitive handling time. Okay, why we use the robots? Okay, कशासाठी यूज करतो रोबोट आपण ज्या ठिकाणी रिपिटेटिव्ह टास्क ओके जर असेल तर त्या ठिकाणी रिमूव्ह of the reduce the human effort. In that case, we can use a robot. Okay, these are the last time we have seen again key robot features. Okay, which are the key features of any robot. Okay, collaborative robots. Okay, the first key feature is safety. Safety is very necessary while designing the cobots. ओके, कोबोट ज्यावेळेस तुम्ही डिझाईन करता त्यावेळेस सेफ्टीची पूर्ण प्रिकॉशन घेतली पाहिजे कारण की इट इज डायरेक्ट कॉन्टॅक्ट विथ द ह्युमन. ओके, हँड गायडिंग, स्पीड ऑफ द separation monitoring, power and force limit. Okay, this one, these are the some key features. Again, we have seen the key functions, which are the key functions of any collaborative robot. Okay, again, we have seen robot safety features as per the ISO standards. Okay, ISO standards, as per ISO standard, how we can okay these safety features we should include. Okay, next after that we have started okay form of human robot collaboration. How actually it is it is started. Okay, if simple one robot is there, then robot and human. To separate these two, okay, we require the fencing. Okay, after that, okay, you can see here shared workspace but exclusive motion. Means in that, okay, we have shared the human and robot workspace. Okay, in this picture you can understood this workspace. Okay, this colored portion you can observe, paint yellow color. These are the workspace of shared workspace of robot and the human. After that, next shared workspace can contact not desired but possible. ओके म्हणजे कशा पद्धतीने केलेलं आहे ह्यामध्ये काय केलेलं आहे कॉन्टॅक्ट पॉसिबल बट ओनली विथ स्टेशनरी रोबोट. कधी आपण कॉन्टॅक्ट करू शकतो तर ह्या वर्क स्पेस मध्ये जर त्यावेळेस रोबोट स्टेशनरी असेल त्यावेळेस. नेक्स्ट in this picture you can understand, okay, again the robo and human, this yellow portion represent the shared workspace. Okay, in this area, okay, human cannot contact not desired but possible. Okay, human can contact to that robot, but contact is not desired but possible. You can contact that robot, but okay, you can avoid that. Okay, next shared work is contact desirable. Okay, simulation motion. Okay, while simulating this workpiece, you can see this workpiece can simulate. Next, monitoring. Okay, and safe protection zones. Okay, in safe protection zone, you can see this. Okay, by increasing the reach of this robot, reach is nothing but length of robot. We have to reduce the speed of दिस रोबो. ओके, आपल्याला काय करायला लागेल तर ह्याची जी काही लेंथ ज्या पद्धतीने इन्क्रीज होईल त्यानुसार आपल्याला त्याचं स्पीड काय करायला लागणार आहे तर रिड्यूस करायला लागणार. कशासाठी रिड्यूस करायला लागेल तर आपल्याला तर त्या ठिकाणी वाय वी रिक्वायर टू रिड्यूस द स्पीड ऑफ रोबोट बिकॉज इट विल डॅमेज टू दॅट ह्युमन. ओके, टू अवॉइड दॅट टू सेफ्टी फॉर दॅट ह्युमन. ओके, we have to reduce the speed by increasing the reach is nothing but by length of this rope. Okay, जशी लेंथ रोबोची इंक्रीज होईल मीन्स ही जी काय मोशन आहे हॉरिझॉन्टल रीच वर्टिकल रीच. हॉरिझॉन्टल मीन्स हॉरिझॉन्टल movement of that robot. Okay, by increasing horizontal movement of robot we have to reduce the speed also of that robot. Okay, to avoid the accident to the human. Okay, next safety features is same. These are the some manipulators we can manually handle also that robots. Next we have seen some examples like safety medical application where we can use this robots like surgery for surgery purpose, radiation surgery purpose also. Okay, we can use this robots. Next practical therapy. Actually these are the radiations are dangerous to human. Okay, for that we can use the robots. Next angiography. This is the example of angiography in that we can use the robots. Okay, while doing the angiography. Next hypotherapy. Okay, while fracturing. Okay, after accident we have to provide this hypotherapy. Okay, to fix the your bones at exact position. For entertainment purpose also we can use the this robots. Next biological research purpose, again motion pictures. Okay, there are different motion pictures you might be you have seen this Hollywood pictures like in surgery purpose. You can see here the robots are doing surgery too. Next physical rehabilitation, TV news. Okay, in TV news also you can use the to hold the camera and teleprompter. Okay, to that holding camera. Okay, to best position you can use the robots. Okay, after that we have seen the videos related to that. Okay, next one is the we have started the autom automatically guided vehicles. Okay, in that also we have seen some of might be last time we have seen some videos related to that, as well as we have seen the what is meant by automatically guided vehicle, or pop, popularly known as AGVs. Okay, what is mean by AGV? Yeah, this one already we have started in last lecture. Now we will see what is mean by AGVs. An automatic guided vehicle or automatic guided vehicles is portable robot that follows along a marked long line or a wire on the floor, or uses radio waves, vision camera, magnets, laser for navigation. Means we can say that generally automatic guided vehicle, the name itself, it simplifies. Okay, तुम्ही नावातच बघितलं तर सांगितलेले automatically guided vehicle means there is no driver, the vehicle which having no driver. Okay, अशी एक vehicle त्याला ड्रायव्हर नसणार, त्या व्हेकलला आपण काय म्हणतोय तर ऑटोमॅटिक गायडेड व्हेकल, also known as a robots, portable robots also it is known. And these robots are moving or navigating means moving. हे कसं मूव होणार आहे तर with the help of some radio waves, vision camera, magnets, or laser. With the help of this it can move from one place to the another place. Okay, एका प्लेस पासून दुसऱ्या प्लेसला मूव होणार आहे. Okay, next, AGVs are material handling system or load carriers that travel autonomously throughout a warehouse, distribution center, manufacturing facility without any onboard operator or driver. Mostly, this automatic guided vehicle is used in assembly sectors. Okay, or the warehouses, larger warehouses, like might be you have seen this grabs warehouses. आपल्या इथं बघितलं असेल बेदानाचे विअर हाऊसेस किंवा कोल्ड स्टोरेज आपण त्याला म्हणतो, तशा जे काही विअर हाऊसेस हे फक्त आपण बघितलं तर फूड प्रोडक्ट्स आहेत. सिमिलरली our mechanical also there are large number of warehouses, large size of warehouses to store the various components. Okay, to store that various component we need to use these AGVs. Okay, we have to require this automatic guided vehicles. Okay, we have seen this video also. Let me play one video, you can understood. Might be you have seen this one last. Let's see whether it is playing or now you can see these are the AGVs. There is no driver for these vehicles. Okay, these are the warehouses, large warehouses. In that, to place that our objects or the components we need you need to use this AGVs. Now you can see this and working 24 by 7 hours. Continuous it is working, charging, auto charging. We can provide the program to that and it will move according to that. Okay, these are the human. Okay, these are the not AGVs. Okay, the drivers are provided to that forklift. Okay, we'll move next one. Next one is the forklift AGVs. Okay, there are the different types of application. Okay, we will see this application also. AGV application. Okay. AGV's application where automated guided vehicles used. Okay, where we can use transport by an AGVs. Okay, these are the application. Automotive sector, food and beverage. Okay, for food also, automotive sector also, food also. Next one where we can use packaging purpose also, we can paper and printing also we can use this. Use next production, warehouse and distribution. Okay, we can use this application. Okay, now we will go one by one. Okay, forklift AGVs. Now forklift AGVs. Okay, forklift automatic guided vehicle are simply an automatic guide vehicle navigation system integrated into a forklift. Might be in industries you have seen the forklift. What is the use of forklift? Forklift काय use आहे कोण सांगू शकेल मला? Why we use forklift? Yes, anyone? Have you seen that forklift? Why it is called the forklift? Yes. Have you seen forklift in any industry? कुठल्या इंडस्ट्रीमध्ये तुम्ही बघितलेले का forklift आपल्या अशा पद्धतीचे? What is the function of that forklift? Simply we can say might be you have seen the forklift during your implant training. Okay, implant training च्या वेळेस तुम्ही forklift हे बघितलं असेल इंडस्ट्रीमध्ये. To carry the weight, okay, to carry that weight in industries, okay, we require this forklift from moving from one place to the another place. Okay, एखादं weight आहे तुम्हाला ते move करायचं असेल तर in that case we require this forklift. Okay, with the help of this forklift, now you can see industry, many industries they are using only a forklift manual or the driver with a driver forklift. Okay, तुम्ही जर बघितले असतील तर सगळे ते forklift मूव्ह करण्यासाठी ड्रायव्हर बनले असतील. Okay, but these forklifts we can use with AGVs, automatic guided vehicles. Forklift automatic guided vehicle are simply an automatic guided vehicle navigation system integrated into a forklift. Means in that there is one navigation system fitted inside that forklift to move that weight from one place to the another place with the help of this forklift. Okay, load carrying or the it is a vehicle is used for load carrying from one place to the another place. Okay, simply you can understood this one. They are suitable for floor level pallet pickup, can stick pallet at various heights. Okay, means it will it can be lifted from the okay from ground to the some up level or the it will mm, down from the up level to the ground level. Okay, this again forklift AGVs are widely used in automatic storage and sorting system, particularly automatic warehouse racking. Okay, that can be warehouse racking. In that case, these are used. This navigation system can override to allow manual control. Now, I will show you one two videos related to the forklift. Simply, you can remember this one. Forklift is nothing but it is one device used to carry the load and out the up and down the load from the machines. Okay, you can see this one. This one is the forklift AGV. Means there is no driver to lift the load. Okay, uh, it will lift from up to the down. And this one is the okay. Okay, you can see this. Okay, if in between human is there, then also okay, it will stop at that position. Okay, this one is the manual as well as the automatic. Okay, manual also with the driver we can do. Okay, now we'll see one more and we'll move next one. But there are two, three videos I have taken, but you can see that I will share this PPT. After that, you can see that. Okay, all videos. I will show here two, three only. One, two, max. Okay, you can see this. This forklift AGV has lifted the load and it will move. Okay, it is placing at specific position. Nowadays, all the industries, these are using this kind of the forklift. Okay, and many more opportunities in this also. Okay, in AGVs. And safety is very important. Okay, while designing these cobots, because it is a directly contact with human. Okay, next one. Okay, next one is the underived AGVs. Okay, underived automatic guided vehicles or the automated guided cart. They also known as this underived AGVs is also known as the automated guided cart. Okay, AGC is a type of AGV. Again, this carts also, the small carts also is used to move the load or the weight from one place to again this is one small vehicle is used to move the load from one place to the another place that lift the load by driving underneath a basket or the cart and lift it slightly. Okay, means it will lift slightly above this and it will move. Okay, at the desired position. At the destination, underroad AGVs can orient and drop the load without intervention. Okay, they are mostly used in hospital for delivering food, lines, and medical supplies. Okay, now we will see that video. You can understood clearly, okay, how that actually underroad AGV. Yeah. Again, it is one type of vehicle, small vehicle. You can see this one. Okay, this one is the a small cart is used to lift the weight and it will moving from one place to it will lift that weight and it will move from one place to the another place. You can see this. It will lift, okay, small with small height and it will travel. You can see this. Okay, due to safety features in front of human, directly it will stop. One more we will see. Okay, this one is the okay. You can see this one. Actually, this one is the some other. Okay, here from here we will see small AGVs. Okay, you can see this one. These are the cards. Some okay large warehouses. It will pick up that okay component and it will move accordingly. These are the underived or the small cards. Okay, AGVs, small card AGVs or underived AGVs, known as the underived. Understood this one? Okay, next one is the next application is towing AGVs. Okay, means might be you have seen towing cars. म्हणजे towing cars बघितले असतील सगळ्यांनी. Okay, might be you have seen tow करते म्हणजे to carry that the similar to towing करतो म्हणजे काय करतो आपण आता एखादी व्हेकल आहे तुम्ही जर बघितलं असेल तर तुमची कार असेल तर किंवा एखादी कार पंक्चर झाली असेल तर आपण काय करतो तर त्याला टोईंग करून काय करतो तर ती गाडी मूव्ह करतो. ओके, आता कुठेतर गाडी आपली व्हेकल ज्या ठिकाणी पंक्चर झाले तिथून आपल्याला जर मूव्ह करायचं असेल तर त्या केसमध्ये टोईंग केलं जातं. तर सिमिलरली ओके इन टोईंग AGVs also it is doing same things. Okay, means to move that cart or the load, okay, we can hold that okay to the AGV or the that vehicle, automatic guided vehicle, towing automatic guided vehicle to carry that load. Okay, that only I have written. Towing or the figure automatic guided vehicle are used to pull driven carriers or the trailers. Okay, to pull that trailer we require this towing AGVs. Since load carrying does not involve lifting, it can handle multiple loads in contrast with forklift and underivated AGV. However, they are solely for the transport and cannot position the loads to their location. Okay, means these are the AGVs are carry or to pull the trailer from one place to the another place to carry that load. Okay, now we'll see that how actually that robots or small vehicles to pull that trailers. Now we will see. Okay, एखादं ट्रेलर कशा पद्धतीने पुल केला जातो ओके एजीव्हीज किंवा टोईंग एजीव्हीजच्या सांगितलं तर ते बघूया आपण. Now we will see that how actually towing. Okay, this one is the small cart of the vehicle, our automatic guided vehicle. This vehicle is towing with this trolley. Okay. You can see here how actually it is working. With this trolley is pulling by this AGV. Okay, automatic guided vehicle. This type of robot is known as the towing AGVs. Means it will pull the some load or the trailer. You can see this. Simply in all vehicle you can see this. There are in forklift in that also the vehicle there is no driver. Okay, that and again that that is used to lift the load or to carry that load. We are using that AGVs. It depend upon the okay the load carrying capacity or the load carrying motion. Okay, it is classified okay, like a forklift, again small cars. Okay, depend upon the size of that AGV or the depend upon the load carrying. Okay, how we do now in this the load is pulled by this AGVs. Okay, म्हणजे ह्या स्मॉल व्हेकल काय करेल ऑटोमॅटिक गाइडेड व्हेकल काय करेल तर ही जी काही लोड आहे तो काय करणार आहे तर फक्त पुल करेल. While designing this, safety is very necessary. Might be understood. Let's do one more. अजून एक बघूया आपण आणि after that we will go to the next type of AGV. Next type of AGV we will see after this video. Okay, you can see this one. Okay, towing AGV. Okay, this one is our automatic guided vehicle, and these are the trailers pulled by this robot. Very simple. Means we can reduce the human effort by carry that load. For assembly purpose, these two AGVs are used. You can see this. The empty carrots are lifting and just filled one is placing to that right place. Okay, might be you understood this towing AGVs. Okay, how that towing is done by this vehicles. Now, next one is the unit load AGVs. Okay, again this unit load. Okay, means load carrying. Okay, depend upon that AGVs. Okay, load carrying AGVs. They have classified unit load AGVs. Unit load automated guided vehicle are designed to transport unitized or the palletized goods. Okay, means parallel. Palletized means to move that. Like now we have seen that okay, application. Okay, some pallets are provided to that AGV. Okay, with the help of that pallets, it will move. Pallets means these are the okay. These are the rollers. Some are provided to that AGVs only. This type does not lift the load. Okay, these are generally these AGVs, unit load AGVs are not lifting load, but it will carry the load. Okay, it will carry the load and it will move with the help of this roller. Okay, it cannot be lifted the load with the help of this AGV. This type does not lift the load off from the floor, which require other lifting equipment such as conveyor cranes or forklift for loading and unloading. Okay, now we will see unit load AGVs how actually it is working. Okay, हे कसे वर्क होतात हे बघूया आपण. Unit load AGVs. This AGVs cannot lift the load, only it will move from one place. But to lift that, we require the different AGVs like automatic guided, forklifted automatic guided vehicle. It will move like different stations. You can see here. It will move first here, second, third, yeah, according to program given by the user. One more we will say in that you can understood actually how that AGVs are moving. Okay, this one is the unit load AGV. Okay, only it will move from one place to another, but it cannot lift that load. Okay, this one is the unit load AGV. Okay, next one is the assembly AGVs. Okay, these are the AGVs. Again, you can see this one. These are the, it is similar to the cars. Okay, small cars, AGVs. And specifically, these AGVs are used for assembly purpose. Okay, where we can use the, do the assembly. Now, assembly automatic guided vehicle are used for transporting goods through the assembly process. Means you can know the assembly. Okay, we can fit one by one by one. Okay. Accordingly, assembly purpose we can use the AGS. Since the assembly process is generally a controlled environment, assembly navigation is much simpler than other types. Their driving speed are also lower in comparison. Their locomotion system is highly maneuverable. The enables them to lift and orient accordingly to the assembly station. Okay, means these are the AGVs specially used for assembly, and the movement of these AGVs are very slowly. Okay, again, these are the similar to your locomotive. Means one AGV will move first. Okay, assembly AGV move first, then next one, then next one, like that. Okay, we'll see one video. After that, we'll end the session. For specifically assembly purpose, these are used. Okay, now you can see this. Okay, previously traditional method is this one. Now, oh, okay, you can see in this. This is type of locomotive. Okay, in locomotive or the railway, similar to railway, small AGVs are used in assembly. Okay, okay, this one is the first AGV moving that. Okay, car some part. Okay, you can see this one, how actually moving that. Okay, small AGVs in the assembly. Okay, everyone, please put your roll numbers. Only 2 minutes are remaining in chat box. We will end today's lecture, and in afternoon we will see remaining part of this unit. Everyone, please write your roll number in chat box. Write down, everyone, fast, because meeting automatically end and it will start next minute. Everyone, please write down your roll number in chat box. Write down, those are remaining. Write down fast. It's 10:25. Meeting automatically meeting will end. The remaining videos we will see in next lecture. We have one more lecture at 1:30. In that lecture we will see. Today we will finish this one. Okay, this AGV part, and remaining part is heavy load AGVs, high speed, and after that we will start with the mobile robot. Okay, 2 points are remaining from the chapter. We will end the max 2 to 3 lectures. Within 3 lectures, we will end this our first topic. Now you can leave the meeting, no problem. If you have written your roll numbers in chat box. Aniket, why you have written 44 and 43? Only 43. Aniket, everyone, please write down your roll number fast. And you can leave the meeting if you have written the roll numbers.